Hey, Burn and Bite family, tell me if this sounds familiar. You have been working out hard. Your diet is most clean, but you wake up one morning and boom, your stomach feels like a balloon. You are bloated, tired, and your skin, it is not exactly glowing. Now you are wondering what is going on. Well, today's episode might just be your simple, crunchy solution. We are talking about an often overlooked superfood that does not scream protein or gains, but works behind the scenes to help you stay lean, energized, and yes, de-bloated. Let's dive into the hydrating, detoxifying, and belly soothing power of the humble cucumber. Now, before we get into why you should be adding more cucumber to your meal and even your water bottle, let's take a quick trip back in time because cucumbers, they have been around way longer than our gym routines or protein shakes. Cucumbers actually go way back, really back. They are believed to have originated in India over 3000 years ago. Yep, India's tropical climate was perfect for this watery veggie to thrive. From there, cucumbers made their way into ancient Greece and Rome, where they were used not just for eating but also for medical purposes. Romans, for instance, used cucumbers to treat everything from bad eyesight to scorpion bites. Crazy, right? Fast forward a few centuries, and cucumbers found their way back into royal gardens, European salads, and eventually our gym lunchboxes. But their real comeback in the modern health world? That happened when people started digging deeper into clean eating and realizing hey, hydration and digestion matter just as much as protein and carbs. Cucumbers went from salad fillers to skincare ingredients, infused detox waters, and now fitness food staples. Okay, so what is the big deal? I mean, it is just water with a little crunch, right? Well, yes and no. Cucumbers are made of about 95% of water, which makes them one of the most hydrating foods you can eat. And when you think about it, that's a game changer for anyone who is into fitness. Hydration is not just about drinking gallons of water, it is about getting moisture from food too. Because when you are pushing through those heavy sets or running that last mile, your body is sweating out minerals and water like crazy. Think of cucumber as your edible hydration hack. It is like nature's electrolyte water, but crunchier. Now, aside from water, cucumbers are also packed with vitamin K, vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium. All those support muscle function, reduce cramps, and keep your metabolism humming along. And here's something most people don't realize. Cucumbers are rich in antioxidants, especially something called cucurbitacins. Sounds fancy, but these compounds help fight inflammation. And if you have ever had sore muscles post leg day, you know inflammation is real. I like to think of cucumbers as the quiet healer in the fitness food world. They are not flashy, but they are helping you recover, reduce water retention, and get your gut back on track. Let's talk about bloating. It is one of the most frustrating parts of any fitness journey. You eat clean, you work out, you drink your water, and still your stomach sticks out like a stubborn balloon. Here's where cucumbers really shines. Thanks to its high water content and gentle fiber, it acts like a natural internal rinse. It soothes the digestive system and helps your body flush out excess sodium. Yes, the same sodium hiding into your healthy protein bars or meal prepped chicken. I like to say cucumbers whisper to your gut, hey, relax, I got this. When I was deep in my own fat loss phase, a few years ago, adding cucumber to my daily meals literally made me feel lighter. Not just in the weight loss sense, but less bogged down. That midday sluggishness, gone. Post meal bloating, way down. It is one of those tiny switches that does not seem big at first, but over a few weeks, you feel the shift. Now, I know what Some of you might be thinking, but bro, where's the protein? I'm here for gains. Totally get it. Cucumbers is not a protein food and it is not going to build muscle by itself. But here's the thing, recovery is not just about macros, it is about reducing inflammation, hydrating your tissues, and supporting your nervous system so you can show up stronger the next day. When you are in recovery mode, whether it is post hit or after deadlifts, your muscles need water to repair. Dehydration slows down that process. That is why cucumber paired with a high protein meal can actually enhance recovery. Think of cucumbers as the assistant in your fitness game, your way shake in the shooter. But cucumber, it is the rebounder, setting up for that next play. Try it: grilled chicken, some brown rice, and a cucumber avocado salad. Refreshing, light, and way easier on your digestive system than anything greasy or heavy. Now let's make this practical, because honestly, cucumber can get boring fast if you are just slicing it or throwing it in salad. So here are some ways I keep things interesting. Start with infused water, cucumber, mint, lemon. Keep it in your fridge and sip all day. It is way better than chugging plain water. Throw cucumber into smoothies sounds weird. Try it with pineapple, ginger, and coconut water. It is refreshing, hydrating, and perfect for after cardio. You can even spiralize it and use it as a raw noodle base with grilled tofu or tempeh. Add some tahini dressing and bam, a clean, filling, anti-bloat meal. And my personal favorite, chilled cucumber soup post-workout on a hot day. Soothing, salty sweet, and full of electrolytes. You are not just eating healthy, you are recovering smart. Now just be fair. Are there any drawbacks? Cucumber is low in calories, which is great for fat loss but not ideal if you are looking for energy-dense meals. So don't make cucumber your main dish. It is more of a support player. Also, if you are someone who tends to get cold easily or have digestive sensitivities to raw veggies, too much cucumber can feel a little too cooling or even cause mild indigestion. If that is the case, try it lightly cooked or blended. It is all about balance. Use it to support your meals, not replace them. When we talk about clean eating, people often picture grilled chicken, steamed broccoli, and brown rice. But clean eating is more than just macros. It is about eating foods that make you feel good, that reduce inflammation, support digestion, and make your workouts more effective. Cucumber does that. It keeps your skin clear, it reduces water retention, it helps you stay hydrated on the go, and maybe most importantly, it helps you feel lighter both mentally and physically. In a world of supplements and complicated diets, sometimes the simplest things like cucumber are the real game changers. Alright, if this episode made you rethink cucumber and you are ready to refresh your meals naturally, make sure to stick around because in our next episode, we are diving into another green powerhouse that might be hiding in your fridge. Celery. Is it just crunchy water or a metabolism boosting detox weapon? Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Until then, keep crunching clean, stay hydrated, and as always, Burn and Bite family, take care of your body, and your body will take care of you. See you in the next one.